my channel. I hope that you all know what are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, prime numbers and composite numbers. If you don't know, then watch our first video and learn it perfectly. If you all are interested in performing basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on these numbers, watch this video till the end without missing any part. We will discuss this on natural numbers in this video. It is very basic concept and used in everyday life and in every class. So be connected with us till the end. Don't forget to like, share, view and subscribe our channel, and also press the notification on to watch our new videos. Now that all are perfect in doing 1 and 2 digit multiplications using Japanese trick, first I would like to show you all how to multiply a 3 digit number using this trick. Multiplication of 3 digit numbers. Let me show you this with using few examples. My first example is 132 into 213. So I wrote first the place values of these numbers. Now I have to draw the lines for this. So for my first number, the number in the 100 place is 1. So I'll draw one line for this. Then I have to draw number of lines in the tens place. What is the number? It is 3. So by leaving some space here, I'll draw 3 lines for tens place number. Now in ones place I have 2. So I'll draw 2 lines for this. Now I have to draw lines for the second number in the similar way, but they should intersect these lines. So in hundreds place I have 2. So I'll draw 2 lines here. Then by leaving some space, I'll draw the line for tens place number. Here tens place is 1, so I have drawn one line for it. So for ones place number I have 3. So I'll draw 3 lines for ones place number. Now what I have to do? I have to mark the sections. Ones, tens, hundreds place now sections. So here first at the right side. Here I'll mark one arc. Then here also one arc. Then here second arc. Here also similarly I'll draw one more arc here. So these lines represents the number in the ones place, this tens place, this hundreds, then this the thousands place, and then the 10,000s place numbers. So the number which I'll get is, let me write it here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000 number. I'll count the number of intersecting points and I'll write the answers for this. In ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'll write 6 over here. Since 6 intersecting points are there, I'll write 6 in ones place. Now I'll count for tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got 11 as answer. But what I'll do for this second number, I'll send this as a carry for hundreds place number. So I'll write only 1 in the tens place. Now we should remember that we have to count this carry while counting these intersecting points. So I'll count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So again I got 11. So what about this one in tens place here? I'll send it as a carry for thousands place. And I'll write this one in hundreds place. Now while counting for thousands, I should remember that I have to count this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in thousands place 1, 2. So my answer is 2, 8, 1, 1 and 6. You can check it out by doing actual multiplication. You all know that we are using a straight line. Okay, what we are using for numbers, we are using straight line. Okay, so now when we get a 0, what should we do? I'll draw it as a dotted line. So for a 0, what I am using now? I am going to use a dotted line for this, for 0. So now I'll first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now I have to draw the lines. Hundreds place I have 3. So I'll draw 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. For 0, what I have to do now? I should use a dotted line. Okay, leave some space and then draw a dotted line. That means here there is no straight line. Okay, then for ones place I have 1. So I'll draw 1 line here. Now for the second number, I have 4 in the hundreds place. So I'll draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in tens place I have 2. So I'll draw 2 lines for tens place. Then 0. So for 0 I have to use another color and it is a dotted line. Now what is the next thing we are doing? We have to make the partitions. So at the right side, 1 arc. Similarly at the most left side, 1 more arc. Then these 2 portions. Then these 2. Then here we get 3 portions, 3 cuttings. Now I'll count the zeros, the intersecting points. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So I'll write the number over here. Is it visible, students? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000 in ones place. Here it is a blue line and a dotted line. So dotted line means no intersecting point. So I don't have intersecting point over here. So I'll get answer as 0 in ones place. Then in tens place, no intersecting points here. Here 1, 2. So in tens place I am getting 2. Then in hundreds place, no intersecting points over here. Here it is a dotted line. That means no line over here. No intersecting points. Here also no intersecting points. Here there are intersecting points. So I'll count this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in hundreds place I have 4. In thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then no intersecting points over here. So in thousands place 6. Then in 10,000 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 1,26,420. In this way, you can multiply any 3-digit number. Okay, students? Isn't it a very easy trick to do multiplication within seconds? You all try few more examples and then let me know your answers through your comments. Now let us start the basic operations of mathematics, which is very useful to all students. You all might be perfect in doing these operations, but there are few things which we should remember while doing these operations. Many of the students copy the questions in their answer sheets wrong, which is the wrong thing which they do, and hence the result will be wrong. So let us now start the addition of natural numbers with using few examples. Addition of numbers. You all might be perfect in doing additions of one digit number. So let me recall it. 2 plus 4. So what we do, we'll take out the number of lines for the smaller number, that is 2. So I'll draw 2 lines over. Then I'll count after 4. Since the big number is 4, we will keep this 4 in mind and then count after 4. 5, 6. Okay. Let me show one more number. 9 plus 1. So here the smaller number is 1. So I'll draw one line for this one. Then we will keep 9 in mind and then count after 9. After 9, 10. So I'll write here 10. What about 0? If there is a 0, what we do? 0 means nothing. Nothing. We are adding nothing in 5. So answer will be 5. Many of the students get confused for this 5 plus 0. What will be it? It will be 0 or 5. So keep a point that you note it, that when we add 0 to any number we get 5, and when we subtract 0 from any number then also we get the same number. Okay students, let me show 2-digit additions. So now we are doing additions of 2-digit numbers. For this I am taking one more example, 23 plus 15. So now shall I draw 15 lines and then count after 23? No, it will be a very lengthy process. So for this, first we have to write the place values to do in simple way. Ones, tens. Then here ones, tens. So first I'll write, before adding, I'll write the place values over here. Then below these place values, I'll write the numbers which has to be added. So first number here is 23. So in tens place I have 2. So below tens place I'll write 2. Then in ones place I have 3. So I'm writing 3 over here. Now the number which has to be added to 23 is 15. So in tens place I have 1. So in tens place I'll write 1. Then in ones place 5. So below ones place I'll write 5 and then I'll add these two numbers. Now what I have to remember, which is the bigger number among the two. 5 is the bigger. So 3 is small. So I'll draw 3 lines. Then after 5 I'll count 6, 7, 8. Here 1 is smaller number. So I'll draw 1 line. Then after 2. So I'm counting after 2. 2, 3. Here I have counted after 5. 5 was in mind. Then 6, 7, 8. Then after 2, 3. So I wrote 3 in tens place. Is it clear students? 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. To do this, again we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens. Then I have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So for first number, in hundreds place I am having 3. So below hundreds place I write 3. Then in tens place I have 2. So I am writing 2 in tens place. Then in ones place I have 6. So below ones place I wrote 6. Now this number is over. So the second number which has to be added is 75. So in tens place I am having 7. So I have to write 7 in tens place. Then ones in ones place I have to write 5. But many of the students do it wrong. What they do while adding, they write first number over here, then the second number 75 here, and then they add and write the answer. Tick, 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 tick. But this will be wrong. So whenever we add a number, we should first write the place values. Then only we should add the numbers. Okay students, is it clear? Now I'll add numbers, two numbers. So in ones place I am having 6 and 5. So 5 is smaller. So I'll draw after 6 I have to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I can't write 11 over here. If I write, this will be wrong. Okay. So here only we have to write what? This ones place number. Okay. Only ones place number. The second number which I am getting, this number should be written as a carry. Where? To its right, left side. Left side number. So this one will go on tens place number. So no, we should write only one, and then one we have to place as a carry. So next number is this three numbers which we have to add. So here the larger number is 7. Then smaller number is 2. So I'll draw 2 lines. Then here one more carry is also there. So I'll write this carry also. Now I'll count all the numbers. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again I am getting a 2-digit number. So the first number should be written here, and the number on the left side will be given as a carry to its beside number. Okay, now 3, 4. Here we don't have any number. So 3 and this one gives 4. So my answer will be 401. Is it okay, students? Now you all have learned the addition of 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So now you can add any number, okay? You can even add 3 numbers at a time. Okay, for this I'll show that examples in my next video. So wait and watch our next videos for further additions, and even I'm going to explain the subtractions also in my next video. Okay, thank you all for watching our videos and subscribing our channel.